Have you ever thought about the way we quantify the effectiveness of machine learning models? That's the mystery we're uncovering today in Module 4 of Demystify Tech. Welcome to Module 4 of Demystify Tech. Today, we're plunging into the depths of model evaluation and metrics, a vital aspect of learning, providing insights designed for novices and executives alike. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to discuss its relevance in the executive sector. Grasping model evaluation and metrics can unleash transformative potential across a broad spectrum of industries. It also serves as a critical step for organizations aiming to enhance their workforce's machine learning proficiency. Model evaluation is how we assess the performance of machine learning models. Let's use a relatable example like grading a student's test paper to explain the concept. Now let's talk about the key metrics for model evaluation: accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Accuracy measures overall correctness, while precision and recall are crucial in different contexts. Moving on, let's discuss the confusion matrix. This matrix helps us visualize the performance of a model, especially in binary classification. Visualize true positives, true negatives, false positives, and false negatives. Understanding model evaluation is vital for informed decision-making. It ensures that your AI initiatives are delivering the expected results. Now let's explore some real-life applications of model evaluation. In healthcare, it's used for predicting patient readmission rates, ensuring hospitals can provide the best care. In finance, model evaluation is key to credit scoring, helping banks make informed decisions about lending. And in retail, it's crucial for customer segmentation, which allows businesses to target their marketing efforts effectively. These examples illustrate the importance of model evaluation in various sectors. Thank you for your time. If you're eager to continue this journey of demystifying technology, make sure you're subscribed to Demystify Tech. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more.